In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect EverWebinar to Zapier, streamlining your webinar automation and helping you save time. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can try this integration for free with exclusive bonuses. Let's dive into the process. EverWebinar is a powerful tool for automating webinars, and when connected to Zapier, it becomes even more powerful by allowing you to automate tasks with over 5,000 apps. It's perfect for businesses looking to streamline their operations. The first thing you need to do is sign up for both EverWebinar and Zapier. If you don't have a Zapier account, go ahead and create one. It's free and easy to get started. Once you're logged into Zapier, click on the Make a Zap button to begin the integration process. Next thing, you'll need to choose EverWebinar as your trigger app. In Zapier, triggers are events that kick off your automation. Search for EverWebinar and select it. After that, you'll choose the event that will trigger the automation. It could be a new registrant or someone attending your webinar. Pick the one that fits your needs. Now that you've set up your trigger, it's time to connect your EverWebinar account to Zapier. To do this, Zapier will ask you to log in to your EverWebinar account. Simply enter your EverWebinar credentials when prompted, and then authorize Zapier to access your account. This is how they'll sync the data between the two. The fourth thing, now that EverWebinar is connected, you'll want to set up the action app. This is what happens once the trigger is fired. For example, if you're adding new registrants, you might want to send that data to a CRM like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp, or maybe you want to send a Slack notification, or even create a new row in Google Sheets. Next, map the fields. Zapier will show you the data fields from EverWebinar. You can choose what data to send, like the attendee's name, email, and more, depending on what your action app needs. It's just a matter of linking those fields from EverWebinar to your action app, and you're good to go. The next step is testing your Zap. Zapier will send test data to your chosen action app to make sure everything is working. This is crucial to ensure that your automation is set up properly. If the test is successful, you can proceed. The final step is to turn your Zap on. Once your Zap is live, it will run in the background, automating the tasks you've set up. Every time the trigger event happens, Zapier will automatically carry out the action you've chosen, saving you time and effort. You've now connected EverWebinar to Zapier and set up your first automation. It's a great way to optimize your webinar process and integrate EverWebinar with the other tools you use. Remember, if you want to try out EverWebinar and Zapier for free, you can access an exclusive, extended trial by clicking the first link in the description. This offer won't last long, so be sure to check it out. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials and start automating your business today.